Welcome back to Everyday Hacks, the channel where we turn little problems into simple solutions. Today, I'm sharing 10 genius DIY hacks that will truly make life easier. From organization tips to simple home fixes, these hacks are quick, budget-friendly, and incredibly handy. Title screen: 10 genius everyday hacks that will change your life, DIY edition. Hack 1. The no-spill paint can hack. Tired of the mess when painting? Just grab a rubber band and stretch it across the center of an open paint can. You can use it to scrape off excess paint from the brush, keeping the edges clean and avoiding spills. Hack 2. DIY phone stand with sunglasses. No phone stand? No problem. Grab a pair of sturdy sunglasses, place them upside down, and lean your phone against the bridge. It's the perfect quick fix when you're watching videos on the go. Hack 3. Toothpaste for headlight restoration. If your car headlights are looking foggy, here's a simple solution. Toothpaste. Just apply a dab on the headlights, scrub it in with a sponge, and rinse. It works as a mild abrasive to clear up the haze, making your headlights shine like new. Hack 4. Binder clips as cable organizers. Are your charging cables always tangled? Try using binder clips to organize them. Just attach a clip to the edge of your desk, thread your cables through, and voila! An instant, low-cost cable organizer. Hack 5. DIY citrus air freshener. Want to freshen up a room naturally? Slice a lemon, add a few sprigs of rosemary, and toss them into a pot of boiling water. The steam will fill your space with a refreshing, natural scent, perfect for getting rid of unwanted odors. Hack 6. Velcro strips for remote control placement. If you're always misplacing your remotes, try this. Stick a Velcro strip on the back of each remote and another on the side of your table. It's a great way to keep them handy and avoid the endless search. Hack 7. DIY phone speaker with a cup. Need a quick sound boost? Just drop your phone in an empty paper cup. The cup will amplify the sound, turning up the volume without any extra equipment. Hack 8. Bread clip for flip-flops. When your flip-flop strap breaks through the sole, just slide a bread clip over the strap end and reinsert it. It'll hold it in place temporarily, so you can get back to your day without a wardrobe malfunction. Hack 9. Remove labels with peanut butter. Getting rid of sticky residue is easier than you think. Just rub some peanut butter over the label, let it sit for a few minutes, and wipe it off. The oils in the peanut butter help dissolve the adhesive, making it much easier to remove. Hack 10. DIY ice pack with sponges. Need an ice pack in a pinch? Wet a sponge, seal it in a plastic bag, and freeze it. The sponge will stay cold longer, and as it melts, it won't leak all over the place. And there you have it. 10 genius DIY hacks to make life just a bit easier. Try them out, let me know how they work for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more everyday hacks. See you in the next video.